Hi, and welcome to this course, Hands-on Dynamics 365 AI for Business Insights. My name is Luke Mathers, and I will be your instructor throughout this course. Firstly, a little bit about myself. I've been working with Microsoft Dynamics since 2005, and prior to that, I was involved in other technology platforms around CRM. Throughout my time, I've worked primarily as a solution architect and a consultant, working with lots of different organizations across different industries and different geographies. And I must say, the one thing that all of these projects have had in common is that our customers have always wanted to make the most of the technology available to them. And the proof is always in what kind of business value can they implement and take advantage of through that technology. I've also got to say that what we're seeing in the industry at the moment is a massive tidal shift. And it reminds me of when we went through another big shift in the industry, which was on-premise to cloud. I think we're seeing so many advances in capabilities, and it's really transforming what customers are able to do with their technology platforms. And that leads into what this course is all about. So in this course, we're going to cover all of the key Dynamics 365 AI applications. And as we go through, you'll see that each application maps to a specific area relating to traditional CRM. In the first section, we're going to get started with AI for Dynamics. And we'll do that by answering the question of what is AI and machine learning, and then look at how AI-infused business applications differ from traditional programming. And then we'll look specifically at Microsoft and their contribution to this field. And we'll use that as a context to look at where Dynamics for AI fits into all this. We'll also see how you can enroll your organization in the different Dynamics AI apps. In section 2, we'll then move into Dynamics 365 Sales Insights. And here we'll look at how we can configure the Sales Insights add-on, look at how you can use the capabilities from AI for Sales Insights to drive better connection with your customers, to improve seller performance, and also to get better visibility and control from a management perspective within your sales organization. Section 3 will then move into Customer Insights. And I've got to say, this is one of my favorite capabilities out of all of the different AI apps. And I think the capability that it offers organizations is in high demand, and it's a real gap in the market. And there can be really profound value coming out of what we can do with Customer Insights. And that includes being able to combine disparate customer data or data from multiple silos and bring that data together to create a single customer view. And then using that, we can discover insights about our customers and then use these insights to drive better interactions. In section 4, we'll then move into Dynamics 365 for Customer Service Insights. And here's where we can look at the capabilities which can help power and provide better insights into customer service organizations. These kind of capabilities will include the ability to be able to spot emerging trends. And we'll see how the AI is able to do what would be very difficult for normal people to do by taking unstructured topics and grouping them into similar types of groups. Through these capabilities, we'll see how you can also streamline the operations and optimize agent performance. And then we'll also see how we can leverage natural language processing and virtual assistants to better engage with customers and drive satisfaction. In section 5, we'll then take a deep dive into the virtual agent for Dynamics 365. You'll see how you can configure your own virtual agent, build your own topics and conversation flows, all without writing any code at all, which is going to be really powerful. We'll see how we can extend bot capabilities with variables and flow integration, and also track virtual agent performance with analytics. Lastly, in section 6, we'll then look at Dynamics 365 for Market Insights, and we'll conclude our training course. With Market Insights, we'll see how we can use these capabilities to understand what consumers are saying about your brand, see how we can discover emerging trends relating to your chosen topic, and really the main capability here is how you can eliminate noise and receive proactive alerts for what's relevant for your business. As we wrap up the course, we'll do a course review and we'll look at ways that you can stay up to date with all of these new capabilities which are constantly being updated, and have some ideas about what might be your next step to continue your learning and improve your career. Learning outcomes for this course will include knowing the capabilities and the value proposition of Microsoft's AI for Dynamics offerings across sales, customer service, marketing, and customer insights. You'll see and know how to provision and configure the various AI for Dynamics apps, and you'll know how to administer these apps, including ingesting your own organizational data. Prerequisites. So you'll need to have a Microsoft Windows or Mac OS computer. You'll need access to the internet and a company or a student email address to enroll in trial versions of Microsoft Dynamics AI that we'll be going through in this course. And you'll also need some familiarity with Microsoft Dynamics 365 for customer engagement or another similar CRM or business application. So I'm looking forward to working with you, and let's get started.